Deuteronomy chapter 12, from verse 1. We are going to have this study here. As we are going deeper, here are the laws and ruling to observe and obey in the land Adonai, the God of your ancestors, He has given you to possess as long as you live on earth. As long as you live on earth. As long the seed of the children of Israel live on earth. Here is the laws and the rulings that we need to observe. All the rulings and laws, they bring us next or back to God, back to Adonai, our God. Shalom, Israel.
Shalom.